YouTube, how the heck is it going? So today we are fixing the master cylinder on the Honda. On last week's episode, I mentioned that the master cylinder broke. Well, what happened was a bolt stripped through and the pedal started moving. So this was the temporary solution that I had to try to fix it, but this is the parts that came in today. So this is master cylinder. These are for almost all D series from my understanding. I think they fit 92 to 2001. Maybe even the prior years. For everybody that doesn't know what a master cylinder is, this is what it looks like. So what happens is this little rod right here gets compressed by the clutch. That pushes the clutch fluid through the line to your master cylinder, which compresses the pressure plate, which relieves the motion on your clutch plate itself to the flywheel, which will stop you from engaging and rolling. So I jammed a block of wood into here. I don't remember how. I was a little bit angry. Hulk smash to hold it in. So now I just need to go on the inside of the car and relieve the bolt that's holding it on, the last bolt. So the first thing we have to do is take off this bolt back here. I know you guys can't see it. I can barely see it. Alright, so now that that bolt's off, time to go back up front. So now you come to this side and pull this out. But you gotta watch out for your clutch lines. Because you don't want to kink them or bend them the wrong way. So I'm gonna, while I'm here, just get rid of it. At this point, I would put something to clutch or to catch the clutch fluid, because clutch fluid is corrosive and strips paint faster than paint stripper. If any does get on your paint, make sure you wipe it down right away. I'm gonna hit this with a pressure cleaner. Now, since you have it out, I put the plug from the new master cylinder to stop it from leaking everywhere. But we're gonna start leaking everywhere as soon as I take this out, right here. Boom. So I'm saving this because, like I said, this thread stripped, yes, I get it, but I think I can make hydro brake out of this or a line lock, so when I do go up to stage, I can compress my rear brakes and get everything nice, sturdy, ready to launch off. You know, everything is compressed, so I'm gonna keep this. Now with all this fluid that's in here that I have, I'm gonna get rid of it because I got new .2 fluid or .4 fluid. Now make sure get some brake cleaner and make sure you spray that stuff out. All new stuff is going in. I don't want all this nasty old stuff to be sitting in there. Alright, now get your new one and you do the same thing. All in reverse. Put that on, clamp it down, test the fitting, nice and fit. Then we're going to throw this back into the car. Now, like I said, move your clutch line. We're gonna bring this in, feed it through the hole, just it's all the way down. We're gonna get this line back to being nice and secured. Do a little bit by hand. Then I'm gonna bring the 10 mil in right there to show you guys. So if I wasn't filming, I would be doing everything down there. Since I'm filming, I want to show you guys. Alright, now that it's nice and tightened up, start pushing it through. Make sure it's all the way in. And we start tightening up. Now to put it back in the same way you take it out. So now what I'm gonna do is gravity bleed it, kind of. I'm gonna run all the old fluid out. So you crack the bleeder, you grab your new bottle, and you go over there, right there, and fill up. Keep letting it fill. Go through a whole bottle, or the whole cylinder first. You have to help it out a little bit. Just grab it right here, give it a little back and forth. Now that's almost poured all the way out. Give it a little bit more. You go in there and pump a little bit. Tighten this up. And the bleeder up. Oh, lose the ball. Add some more. And go to town on pumping. A little air bubble out. So that's it. That's what I'm going to do for now. It feels back to being normal, like how it should feel in a manual car. Alright, goes in all gears. Alright, now that I changed that up, got this all working right, now I'm going to add some transmission fluid. I already broke the bolt that is supposed to be right there. Sorry, it's down there, you can't see it. Now, it's down there. I got no trans fluid in, so I got to try to figure out a way to fill it up with some synchro mesh. Alright, so now that I have some trans fluid in it, I'm going to run it through the gears and see how she is. So I'm gonna call it there, guys. clutch master cylinder is in. I did a little bit of things with the trans, you know, I added the fluid, but I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna call it a night. For you guys, I am gonna continue working on the car. Like I said, I need this done before March 1st, and I have a little bit of time left. So I want this car to be at the track. So later, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.